So palindrome number program, given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So palindrome is basically one to one is a palindrome because reading both the sides should sound same, like one to one is one to one, but minus one to one is not a palindrome because false, because from left to right it reads minus one to one and from right to left it becomes one to one minus. Therefore, it is not a palindrome number. If x equals to 121, then the reverse will be 121. So all we need to do is to find the reverse of the number, like digit equals to x mod 10, and then x equals to x by 10. Then reverse will be reverse into 10 plus digit, and then digit equals to x mod 10, x equals to x by 10, reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus digit, digit equals to x mod 10, x equals to x by 10, reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus digit. We can try run the program here. Okay, so if we try run, x is given as 121, so digit will be 121 mod 10, that will be 1, and then x will be 121 by 10, that will be 12. Okay, then reverse will be 0 into 10 plus 1, that will be 1. Fine. Digit will be 12 mod 10 will be 2, and x will be 12 by 10, that will be 1. Okay. Yeah, so then reverse will be reverse into 10 plus 2, 12. Okay. Digit equals to 1 mod 10 equals to 1, x equals to 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is 0, and reverse will be 12 is reverse already. 12 into 10 plus 1 equals to 121. So we are getting 121 as a reverse number. So now we need to check if x equals to reverse, then return true. Okay. Right. But if x is given as negative value, like any negative value, like any negative value is given as, so then in that case we need to return false by default, because if we check for any negative value, it will not be palindrome. So for any negative value it will be false only. Okay, and by default, if x equal to 0, then it will be default, it will be true only because it is a palindrome. Okay, so we'll write a program here, like firstly simply int reverse equals to 0, and then we need to assign value of x into some other variable, because later on we need to check for compare for that value. So while x not equals to 0, then int digit equals to x mod 10, and reverse will be reverse into 10 plus digit, and x equals to x by 10. Okay, here later on, if y, because we have assigned value of x in y. Okay, so return true, else it will return false. Okay, so here we need to check one condition here. In the starting only we can check if x is less than 0. Okay, then return false. Okay, One more condition, if x equals to 0, then return. Okay, run the program. Okay, yeah, yeah. All three test cases are good. Simple test cases we are getting past as output. Yeah. So like for negative value, case 0, case 1, case 2, and case 3 for negative value. Case 2 for negative value, and case 3 for like, yeah, correct. Okay. So now we need to submit the program. Hopefully it will pass all the tests. Correct. Yeah. In 4 milliseconds.